It is Silverline time. You guys will have to let me know if there's any effect on what you can hear. Right now it's 85 degrees up here, so I've got both of the blender fans on high and the mobile air back there on low. Normally I would turn them off for a video, but since this isn't a video that is showcasing any air moving, I've got them on so that I don't die. And hopefully it's not too much wind noise. So I decided to go to my storage unit and grab all the commercial and industrial fans I had in there. And I had two Silverlines in there and some parts to some Dayton Lascos. We'll get to those a little later. One of the Silverlines was new in box. I don't know where the box is, but the box was all but destroyed. Ironically, the blades came out of it mint. The motor came out of it all scuffed up. And that's funny because that's how it usually happens. That's exactly what happened to this. Was a new in box gold line, and the box was so destroyed that I didn't even keep it. Blades, which are stashed back here, but you saw them in a previous video. Blades came out of it mint. Fan came out of it all scuffed and scratched, or motor rather. So I guess that's what happens if if the box gets destroyed. The motor needs a paint touch up, but the blades come out of it fine. So what we have here, oh, excuse me, I hope I brought some water up here with me, but I don't see it. So if I don't die from the heat, I'll die from thirst. What we have up here, in no particular order, on the left is the Silverline from the previous video from '97. In the middle is a 2000 Silverline, and on the right is a 1990 Silverline. That was the one that was new in the box. Those are the blades to 1990. These are the blades to the 2000. If you're like me, you looked at these and said, wait a second, did the blades get mixed up? Are those the right blades? They got rivets on them. And no, it turns out that this one has 44-inch blades, even though the motor is a Model 60 F9, same as the other three. There's no difference in the model number, but the blades are a different size. So I don't know if the 44-inch one is supposed to have a different motor or not. That's something I'll probably look up when I get to a computer later. But we'll definitely install it like it is and check it out. So first I was going to show you the 2000 and the 97, other than the 97 being dirty and yellowed, are identical. The 90 has a much larger lower canopy. It's more angular. Motor, there doesn't seem to be any other difference that I can tangibly note, other than where it mounts. Take a look at the labels on them. So you can see that's a 60 F9-1. Here, the 44-inch one is also a 60 F9-1. Nothing about it says anything about it being 56 or 48 inches. Over here as well. Something else I found interesting is that the 2001 here is still out of Buffalo, New York. I don't know when the Buffalo, New York plant or distribution center or whatever they had there, when that was shut down, because as of the mid-2000s it's Banville in Canada and Envirofan out of Wisconsin, and there's nothing in New York anymore. But this one's still labeled out of New York, so that's interesting. Okay, well, in the next video I'm going to hang up the 48-inch and we'll test it out. I haven't decided yet whether or not to hang up the 1990 56-inch, because we've already hung a 56-inch Silverline, but we don't know if there's any performance differences between the 90 and the newer ones. So maybe we'll hang that. We'll see, and move on from there. Thanks for watching.